Hello everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making a McMuffin casserole. For that I'm going to need 6 sausage patties thawed, 6 pieces of American cheese, a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper, 6 English muffins that I'm going to have to cut in half, 2/3 cup of half and half, and 8 eggs. Well, this should be fun, so let's go. And to start off with, we'll be whipping up those eggs, but first we'll put the half and half in. And the salt and pepper. And whip it all together thoroughly. Our eggs are whipped together. We're going to put the bottom half of each English muffin into the bottom of our 9x12. I've got the top set aside. And onto that, we'll put 1 sausage each English muffin. Top that off with a slice of cheese each. And then once the cheese is laid on, pour the 8 eggs over the open-faced sandwiches. And then onto that, add one of the English muffin tops each sandwich. And this is going to go into the oven at 350 for the next 12 to 15 minutes. And it's also advised, which I don't have out yet, that you either spray the tops of the muffins with some cooking oil or butter, or lightly brush them with some melted butter. So I'm going to go the melted butter route. And 30 minutes later, it'll be beautiful. The eggs are cooked, and it's time to try them out. Alrighty, we cooked it all. It's crispy on top. Looks amazing. Let's go on and try it out. Well, it ended up giving me all the taste that a McMuffin would. It's almost just tempting to pick it up and eat it like one, though, because cutting into it's a little tough. And for me, I think I'd like some sriracha or ketchup on it. But I do that with my McMuffins anyway when I eat one. So, it turned out pretty good. It was a really simple little throw-together breakfast or dinner, and I'm going to go enjoy the rest of it. But you need to tell me what you thought about it. If you like it, don't like it, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it. And I will see you in our next video.